him in the face, Tanner. He won't see that coming.
I was hoping you wouldn't expect
Smack him upside the head.
Ow! No! Todd, if I beat you down, you're no problem. No!
You're taking a video.
The Max action in there, and then
The Max and Adam, some more come back.
Right, you guys go really close.
Your head sideways now too.
Todd!
Get him from a David Blaine camera.
Todd, are you going to make up a gym again?
No, I brought my clothes home finally after like 7 months.
Ew.
Man, I'm in a gym class.
Oh, you want to know something?
During Miss, Campbell left and made up a gym
He
class.
got dropped from the class.
And he came back and he's sweaty like Greg. And wearing different clothes. And my math teacher didn't care.
Sweaty like Greg? Oh no.
Except much more pink. Yeah.
God, why do you take video of me for? No!
Oh.
No! Bad job. No.
Look, get out of your hand. There you go. It's all good. That's really sick, yo.
Greg?
That's sick, Greg. And then hung the door, he had his chest sweatshirt on.
Steve Iron?
No, Steve Iron doesn't. No, he does. I don't even know him, but I'm making a video of it. You have a whole giga's memory of it. Oh. We're the ones that
This is Greg.